What I'm about to show you is what a $50 dryer vent cleaner does for $50. Failed to inspect the pipe, and there was a disconnect, and because of the disconnect, for the past few years, it has been venting dryer lint throughout my customer's ceiling for years. All throughout his ceiling. Everywhere, dryer lint, as you can see. This is very bad for indoor air quality, also fire hazard. This is why you should get your dryer vent cleaned by a NATGA certified professional. Otherwise, you're playing with your life.